Today is the day. It's the global premiere, and unfortunately here in South Alabama, it's a little bit nasty. But it's a big day for Mazda, and with big news and big announcements comes early leaks. So yes, we have a few photos to share ahead of the premiere.
More car vids. More car vids.
What's up, everybody? I'm Jonathan Sewell Sales at Mitchell Mazda on the Boulevard in Enterprise, Alabama, but I'm not on the Boulevard. I'm on the way to the Boulevard this morning because I received a few photos that are creeping through the web of the CX-90. One of them you've already seen yesterday, and you know, we see the beautiful, I actually thought that the back end may be a little bit sharper of a curve there and maybe a render, but this is the actual CX-90. And then we also have a shot of the rear, which we saw in the leaks from Aunt Anstead, but it looks better in the rear than it does from the side. And then of course we have one up front, which is pretty much speaking CX-60, so we're familiar with that already. And then here's another view, kind of a top angle view. So all these photos are beautiful, and they appear to be from a Japanese skyline, a little bit of a photo shoot for the new vehicle. And I know that we're going to see more, including live footage later on today, so I can't wait. I'm so excited about the global premiere today, and I wanted to get these photos to you. Also, I figured the best way to share the news, if you can't watch the premiere or have a few things going on, is to live tweet it. So I'm going to be on my Twitter, which I'm usually not on, tweeting all the exciting news throughout the premiere. So you can follow me at JSewellSales on Twitter, and hopefully get all the information you need until you have a chance to watch the complete video, and we'll see what Sonata-san and all the Mazda employees, engineers, and executives have to say about this beautiful new CX-90. So until then, we'll be on the Boulevard waiting for that 10 a.m. Central global premiere, and I'll see you on the next one.